Hey guys, welcome back to another video, actually the last video of 2018, and I wanted to share like a last minute New Year's Eve inspired makeup tutorial. And if you don't have these specific items, obviously you can use whatever you have to create something similar, but I just really love how this look turned out. I was having a hard time with the lips, but you guys will see it at the end. But yeah, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Lots of changes coming to my channel. I'll kind of talk about it in the intro when I'm doing my base and stuff, so I hope you guys are excited for 2019 and all of the fun little changes that I have planned for this channel and perhaps a new channel. Anyway, I'm talking way too much as usual. Let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy it and let's roll. But first, chocolate. New Year's resolution: brush these eyebrows more often. I tried to do like a messy updo for today's look. I don't know, turned out okay, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna start. So for today's look, I'm gonna try and use a lot of drugstore products, kind of like mix it up so that it's not all kind of mid or high end. And I'm trying to do that more in 2019 because I know you guys like to see kind of a mixture of everything. So I got a lot of friends visiting today. Literally, I can't even count. There's so many pimples on my face right now. Mainly because I've been eating a lot of chocolate and sweets in general. We're calling it the holiday diet over on Insta stories. It's really hilarious, but no, seriously, like I've gained 5 pounds. I've got lots of pimples, so things are gonna change in January, I promise. I'm gonna start my makeup and talk at the same time. Anyway, for my base, I'm gonna use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint. That's a really long name, but anyway, I'm gonna use this foundation and my shade is Honey. But it's really dark, so I'm gonna mix a few other things. I'm pretending like I'm contouring basically with it. This is nice because you can just kind of apply with the brush and then blend. Hopefully I don't get my earrings dirty. I just got these from Club Monaco. They're so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this first. I'm also gonna use the L'Oreal True Match because I feel like this one's like a little bit too dark for me. I'm applying W3 kind of on the center of my face. This is technically my perfect shade, but I do like my foundation to be a little bit darker, so it's kind of nice to mix it and get a little bit of that darker framing. I feel like I need to kind of update you guys on some life updates, I guess. Things that I'm trying or planning to do. One of the things that I've been wanting to do for the past like few years, and I'm sure you guys have heard of it like on and off for the past, I would say 3 years, is consistent like weekly vlogging. And I know I've talked about it for a long time, but I haven't actually done anything about it. I did upload one weekly vlog recently on my channel, but I don't know, I just have been thinking because this channel, when I started it, it was more about beauty and makeup and pro tips and things like that. So I kind of just don't want to like confuse people who subscribe to this channel for that reason, you know, and start posting like random weekly vlogs here. So I thought, you know what, it's probably safer to start a new channel and like upload all those weekly vlogs or like random things that I have planned that I want to do, like what I eat in a day or healthy recipes or whatever, into my weekly vlog, because I do cook a lot and I do kind of like share my life on stories a lot, but I feel like putting it in a weekly vlog could be kind of fun. Yeah, I thought about it and I came to the conclusion that starting a new channel is probably best. You can give me your 2 cents if you have you know, an opinion about this. Yeah, again, it's mainly because I don't want to like confuse people because this is more of a makeup beauty channel. So anyway, that's one of the things that I've been trying to work on, is just get consistent and get better at vlogging because I haven't really vlogged in a while. And by the way, I have like travel vlogs and stuff on my channel, but this would be more of like real life, what I do when I'm not traveling, like literally every week. Yeah, let me know if you guys are excited about that, if you would want to, you know, check it out. Anyway, so that's kind of new and exciting, I think. I got a new Age Rewind concealer. I actually have quite a few shades of this because Maybelline sent their like best sellers or whatever, and I want to try their darker shade as like a contour. I have a lighter one of this. I feel like my under eyes could have used something a little bit lighter. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in place and then apply the darker shade. It's funny because when you blend it, it doesn't look as dark. I don't even know what I'm doing for New Year's Eve, to be honest. Like, we're trying to figure that out right now. We're trying to figure out if we want to go out or stay in. Of course, KB wants to stay in. He has no interest in going out. I don't know. Sometimes I'm just like, I want to put makeup on. I want to get out. So we'll see what we'll end up doing. For now, we have no plans. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this. Normally I wouldn't use a concealer to do this. I mean, I've used the NARS Radiant Creamy to do this, which is fine because it's like a lot lighter. Because I'm breaking out a lot and there's a lot of texture going on, I feel like for days like this, it's totally fine to contour with your concealer because it just provides a little bit more coverage. And Lord knows I need it. Anyway, so another thing I'm really excited about is that I have this really cool idea of a series that I'm going to introduce in January. I'm actually prepping and planning. I don't want to give too much away, but I know that you guys are going to be super excited about. It's about beauty. It's about going back to the sort of like the core of why I even started this channel. So I think you guys are really gonna love it. So I'm kind of working on that. I'll probably have to work on it for another week or so because it does require a lot of planning. And then once it's all ready and I've filmed a few episodes, I'll introduce it to you guys, but it'll be a very regular sort of series on the channel. So get excited because I am so excited about that. Other than that, yeah, I'm just gonna be kind of switching things a bit and making this channel more heavy beauty focused. Anything else will be on the vlog channel, but I don't even have a name for it, so we'll see how that's gonna go. If you guys have any name suggestions, you know what to do. Leave it in the comments because I don't know what I'm gonna name it. I asked on stories and everyone's like, why don't you name it something simple so that people know it's like Sona's Vlogs? But I kind of want it to be a little creative, you know? Not to like go on and on about this, but I also feel like when I start this vlog channel, it'll be interesting, I feel like, to share kind of like the behind the scenes of work because there's so much that goes behind not only just being a YouTuber and a content creator, but also behind the scenes for Persona, which I think will be really fun for you guys to see like how I go about creating products and things like that. So it'll just be like a little bit of everything, you know? I'm really excited. I'm actually doing this. Wow, after 3 years of just talking about it. But this is the CoverGirl setting powder that I'm using. It's the best. I have like a dedicated blog post about this that I'm just like obsessed with. I'll link that down below, but it's definitely one of my absolute favorite drugstore powders. It's just so good. It kind of like mattifies, and when it mattifies, it gives you the illusion that it's kind of minimizing pores or like blurring pores, I should say. And if you use a dry beauty blender, it's actually gonna work better for this particular powder because again, it just kind of blurs the larger pores. It just sucks that we use holiday season as an excuse to just completely do whatever we want. And then January comes, gotta work hard. I'm gonna do my brows before I do anything else because my brows need lots of loving today. I'm just gonna use the Brow Gal in number 5 pencil. I'm gonna set it in place with this L'Oreal Wanted Brow Gel, the best. And I love my brows kind of like brushed up like that. Should have made regular coffee. I made decaf because I had a cup of coffee at home today, but I feel like my energy's kind of like going down. Okay, I need to bronze myself a little bit more, highlight, bring back some of that dimension. And for that, I don't know what I should use. You know what? I'm gonna go back to one of my favorite drugstore bronzers. This is the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. It's so amazing. Love it, like so much. I'm just gonna kind of deepen that a bit. I feel like if I had a mole here, I wouldn't mind it as much as a pimple, you know? Even though pimples are like temporary, but still, I'm just like, oh, go away. I have been cheating on the no dairy thing, I have to say, and I think that's why I'm breaking out. I've been kind of just here and there eating dairy. I mean, obviously, all the sweets I eat has dairy. So sugar, dairy, you know, it's just messing my skin up. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna use a drugstore blush. I'm gonna use this It Cosmetics one. This has become one of my favorites. It's so amazing. It's the Bye Bye Pores, and it's all matte. And I'm just gonna smile and pop it on the apples of the cheeks. It's very beautiful and youthful. Oh my gosh, so I started watching Gossip Girl all over again. I know, I'm crazy. I'm like watching, literally, I started from season 1. This is technically my second time watching it, so I think it's okay. But anyway, it's just so good. I'm like falling back in love with it. I love it just as much as I loved it the first time around. That's the show I've been binge watching lately. So for my bronzer, I'm gonna try this for the first time. This is the Milani Trio. I'm gonna use like a little brush and use the middle shade. Wow, that's really pretty for New Year's Eve actually, because it's a little bit more intense. Like it's got larger pearls, but I don't mind it for New Year's Eve. You kind of want to go all out with your highlight anyway. I bet once I put my setting spray, this is gonna melt right into my skin and it's gonna look so much better. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the eyes. I already have an idea of what I wanna do. I wanna definitely play with glitter, but I also wanna use my copper kit. So these are the 3 products that I'm thinking of using. The copper kit as the eyeshadow palette, and then I have this MAC glitter, and then I have this Urban Decay glitter. So I just feel like together, it's all gonna look, hopefully, great. This is the Sona Cosmetics copper kit. It comes with a pencil and a brush. So I'm gonna use the brush, and I'm gonna start with the light brown shade. And I'm gonna apply this on the crease. This is obviously gonna lift. It's gonna be a great transition shade. If you have a heavy fold, you absolutely need to do this. So let's do it. Next, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Brick. I'm gonna apply Brick sort of right underneath that transition shade. And then you do wanna blend this really well. Our office is finally coming together. If you guys watched the last vlog, I shared a little bit of the decor because we have like a little lifestyle section where I like to just chill, take photos, you know, do all that. It's almost done. We're waiting for like 1 or 2 more things. And then once it's done, I'll probably do like a little vlog style tour. Yeah, I'm just so happy. I love our pink couch. It's velvet. I love it so much. But I don't know if you guys watched it. We did make a few more changes after that vlog, so I can't wait to share more of that section. It feels like I'm home. Like it literally looks better than my living room. It's so cute and girly. I'm gonna pick up this sort of a chunky pencil brush. This is a Laura Mercier brush. I'm gonna pick up Brick, and I'm gonna smoke out the bottom lash line. I want this to be nice and chunky. And then I'm gonna go in with light brown. I'm gonna apply that right on top. So just always push this towards your brow, where the brow ends. Just push it out, because it just makes your eyes look a lot, you know, bigger and more elongated. I have eyeshadow all over my dress. I'll tell you why I want to go out on New Year's Eve. I went shopping the other day because we had like a 3-day break for Christmas. I found the cutest silk suit that looks like, you know, you have to wear it for New Year's Eve. It's just so pretty. And I'm just like, now I have an outfit. It was a total accident, but I have an outfit, and why would I just want to stay home when I have this gorgeous outfit? So I really want to go out. I don't know if we're gonna go out actually, but yeah, stay tuned. KB says you could wear it at home. It's not fun to just wear it at home. So next I'm gonna pick up dark brown. I'm gonna smoke out the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just gonna create like a V and just really smoke it out. I'm still using that same brush, by the way. It's called Eye Crease. I'm gonna have to grab a cleaner brush. I need to smile more when I'm filming because like I just look really serious. I used to have a little post-it note that said smile. I need to bring that back. You just gotta have patience for this because it's a lot of building and blending. Apply, blend. This is a really, really soft and flexible brush. This is by Zoeva 228. It's a great one for blending. Not necessarily applying product because it kind of gets all over the place, but it's one of my favorite brushes to blend with. I think that's really cute. So next I'm gonna pick up copper, and I'm actually gonna use my fingers. Usually I use a brush, but I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid. Obviously you can leave it like this if you want it to be a little bit more subtle. I mean, it's still a smoky eye, it still has color, but if you add glitter, obviously it's gonna make it more New Year's Eve and just, you know, let's just go all out. So I'm gonna start with this one. This is by MAC and it's in the shade Blinking Brilliant. I'm just gonna apply this on the center. So you still see the copper underneath. It just gives it a nice pop. Really, really love this. It gives it that wet look, which I love. This is so beautiful. It might even be old. It might be from like last year, but it's so pretty. Anyway, I'm gonna move on to eyeliner. So I know that the copper kit comes with a matte brown liner, and you can totally use that. You can use a black liner or whatever you've got. But for today, I'm actually gonna use a bronze. This is kind of like a coppery bronze. I feel like it's just gonna look really pretty with this. It's the Sona eye pencil in bronze, and I'm just gonna apply this on the inner rim. You can also skip this step if you've got smaller eyes. I love doing this. Like, it just makes such a difference. Okay, lastly on the shadow, I'm gonna go in with Off-White, and I'm gonna apply this just on the inner corners, just for a nice little pop. I'm gonna try applying this on the inner corners. This is the Urban Decay glitter in Midnight Cowboy. Literally just applying a tiny bit. And then you wanna go ahead and blend it so that it doesn't just like look weird. Okay, so for the lashes, I'm gonna go in with the Lashify, and first you apply the Flexible Bond. But you gotta be quick with this. And then you wanna grab the lashes and start to apply it. You're basically applying this right underneath your lashes. So I think with these lashes, what I just figured out, took me a while, but it's better to do half of your lashes first and then move on to the other half, because otherwise this dries and then it doesn't really work. So I'm just gonna reapply this on the inner corners. I'm actually almost out of these lashes. And then you can apply mascara over this, but once you're happy with your application, you wanna go back to this guy, which is basically like sealing the deal. It's like the top coat of it. And then you just kind of go over it like that. Now, you obviously don't need mascara, but I'm just saying if you wanted your lashes to be like super out there, I always have a hard time with this eye. Now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and this is like the European edition. Annie Jaffrey actually sent this to me when we did a collab a while ago. I don't know if you guys remember that, but I still love this so much. I mean, technically you could do mascara and then do this, but it's a lot harder to apply mascara after. Let's just put it on the bottom lash line. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this L'Oreal lipstick. It's a very sheer one, 970 is the number, penny gold. And then I'm gonna top it off with the I Love Serai and ColourPop collab in, this one's just called Glass Lip. Let me know what you guys think of the lips. I feel like you could totally go with a red lip or with just a nude without the shimmer and stuff. I feel like this kind of matches too much with the eyes, but I don't know. Cynthia, I'm gonna call a friend. Do you think the lip is too matchy-matchy with the eye? Like, should I change it or is this okay? Okay, we're gonna do orange. Cynthia says change the lip. I'm back. I'm gonna take this off, but now that you guys can see, I mean, this looks good too, but I kind of agree, like, I don't love that it's matching too much. Let's get rid of this. But as usual, I always like hearing what you guys think. Like, I wonder what the majority likes, you know? So let me know. So I'm gonna go a little fancy, and I'm gonna go in with the YSL lipstick in number 2, and this is called the Slum, I think. It's like an orange, bright. I do have to say I like this lip better. It's less matchy-matchy, it's classier. I think it's very New Year's Eve appropriate, but you tell me. And I feel like with a look like this, especially with the earrings, you do have to kind of, I think, put your hair up because then it's like a little more effortless. This kind of reminds me of like a red carpet look too. Love this lip color. And again, it's one of those that make your teeth look whiter, which I love. It's got a blue undertone. So that's it for this tutorial. Again, super last minute makeup inspiration for New Year's Eve. Hopefully you guys are going out, unlike me, or who knows, maybe the universe will hear me out and I will wear that new suit out. I don't know. You'll see it on stories, I'm sure. But anyway, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for all of your love, all of your support in 2018. It was such an amazing year for me. And not only just for me, but also for Persona. So much happened. So many new amazing launches, but I'm looking forward to 2019. So thanks again, and I will see you next year. Have a happy new year, guys. Mwah. Love you. Bye. What is it called? We'll be on the vlog channel. Gel. L'Oreal. I can't speak today. I spilled my tea all over my desk. Great. I can't decide. I cannot decide what is wrong with me.